Once again, we have a pretty decent setup. Arms are hanging pretty freely down. Knees are slightly flexed. You can see everything's pretty well lined up. Maybe the left shoulder could be a little closer to the golf ball. Let's just go ahead and play this one in 8th speed because he's got a really quick swing. Hard to see anything wrong with that, but we'll spot a couple of places right in here. Whereas he takes the club back, stays outside the line. That's okay. But right here, it's a little too shut. We'd like to see the face of the club more parallel to the lead forearm. Now he's moving up the line pretty well, and he's going to get up to here where everything's pretty parallel. If I draw a second blue line in here, or third blue line actually, notice that that line is parallel, and it runs right down his forearm, is parallel to the top blue line. So up to this point now, we've done a really good job of getting the club on the path it needs to go on. Now, does he drop it back down under the bottom blue line on the way down? That's to be seen. Let's see what happens. So even at 8th speed, now you see what happens. The initial move is the hands are going straight to the golf ball. Your initial move needs to be the hands have to drop straight back down to this little intersection right here of the hip and the swing plane. If we can drop the hands down to that position, we're going to drop the club in behind us instead of over the top, way out, where the club never gets to be parallel to the trail arm. It's parallel to the lead arm. And we have a tendency then to pull up and out of the shot in order to make good impact. You see he's done that. He's pulled his head up and back out of the shot. So if we can get him to reroute the right elbow back in front of the right hip, he's going to do a much better job. He's a good athlete. We just got to get some of the technique better.